Hey guys, how's it going? How was your summer holiday? It's been a while.
It's been such a long time.
Yeah. Check out my skin tone, guys. We had a good time for the summer vacation.
Well, he had a good vacation.
Yeah, I'm pretty sure you guys also did, right? Anyway, we're so happy to be here with you guys again for another live stream.
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah.
Well, today we're gonna, as you can see here, round up the updates we have been having for the during the summer vacation. Because unlike Jason, some of us worked through the vacation.
All right.
And of course, we had a lot of new updates, new features, which are, quite interesting and in many cases, quite useful.
Yeah, exactly. And I'm pretty much sure you guys already get this new firmware on the PBX for, I guess, for a couple of days, for a while, right?
Yeah, for a while.
So, how's it, guys? I just want to know what's your idea about all these new features?
Yeah, how's your skin tone?
Yeah. No, never mind.
Oh, well, we see a lot of our, partners, right? From Mexico, hola, from Cote d'Ivoire, from Germany, from Brazil. Hello, guys.
Yeah.
It's very happy to see our partners from all over the world. Once again, we are here in China, give you and doing the live stream for all of you guys.
Yeah.
From Brazil. Sorry, Elton from Brazil.
Yeah.
Wow.
Thank you so much.
What is it in Brazil? Like 5 o'clock?
Yeah, probably.
Probably, yeah. 5 in the morning.
Sure.
Good for you guys.
Okay.
Hello from Poland. Hello, guys. Hello from France. Hello from Italy, Parma. Wow, that sounds delicious.
Yeah.
Well, yeah, we love Italian food.
Sure.
All right. So we will, as usual, wait for like 2-3 minutes.
Sure.
Because people are still coming in. It's 3 a.m. in Mexico. Wow.
Really?
3 a.m.
3 a.m. Wow.
We are flattered.
Sure. Thank you so much.
To be honest. Hello from Greece. Hello from Kazakhstan. Hey, South Africa. Hello, Marcel from Curacao. I don't know what. From UK. Wow. From Kuwait. From Tanzania. Wow. It's great. Once again, good to be able to talk to you guys from all over the world.
Exactly.
It's such a great feeling, being able to talk to you guys from all over the world, and we are here together for this live stream and for this product.
Yeah.
Well, it's this is actually the first live stream we've been having, after the summer vacation.
Sure.
Because we are getting into October, which will be big.
Yeah.
For Yeastar, for many, business, for many companies like this.
Exactly.
So we're warming up. Actually, we're warming up
Sure.
right here, and you guys will start to see new product, new features coming out.
Pretty much soon.
Much.
Exactly.
Yeah. I know a lot of you guys already seen it. We can support live chat. It's only a appetizer.
Sure.
Yeah, it's only an appetizer, and in the following months we will have big features.
Yeah.
Ready for you guys.
Exactly. Sure.
Hello from Malawi, from Portugal, Malaysia, from Italy. That's great. Okay, I think that'll be.
Yeah, let's just get in.
Yeah, let's just get started. Okay.
Yeah, like I said, you guys already get the new firmware on your PBX, and I guess you might have a few questions about all these new features. So that's why we're here. Yeah. We're gonna have this live stream, and also I'm gonna show you a couple of live demos.
Yeah. Of things.
Yeah, to show you more details of all these new features.
Yeah.
Sure.
And by the way, if you have any questions, just tell us in the comments.
Drop it in the chat panel as usual. Okay.
Now we have our colleague here, Giovanni.
Sure.
Has been saying hello to you guys a couple of times.
Yeah.
Giovanni is here from our tech team, so he will be there to help you with all of your questions.
Exactly.
Yeah.
Sure. This time, you guys can see there, we have a bunch of features, a whole bunch of new features. There are so many. I guess, generally speaking, we can talk about all these new features from different aspects. 3 major aspects, right?
3 major aspects.
Yep.
Yeah.
The first important update we have there, it's something special for the omni-channel messaging, especially for our contact center solution.
Exactly.
Yeah, we add new channels on it. This is the first update. The second part, we're going to talk about some functionalities, some new features
PBX
we added on the PBX. Exactly. And last but not the least, another important update we have this time is something so special on the central management, the YCM update. Generally speaking, all these new features, they're pretty awesome. Gives us a totally different user experience.
Okay.
Yeah.
Let's get started.
Sure. Let's talk about the contact center first.
Contact center,
For the contact center solution, we have this important update. We add 2 new channels. The first one's gonna be live chat.
Live chat. PBX, P-Series PBX will now integrated with live chat. That means if you want to build up your own live chat channel in your website, but you don't want to buy a whole solution for it, you don't want to get a program for it, well, you can just simply use the P-Series PBX, and you can build up and create your own live chat.
Exactly with
that.
It's a built-in feature, guys. You can use it directly. I'm gonna show you guys right now.
We have a live demo.
Let's give it a check. About this live chat feature, hold on a second, guys. This is not my website.
This is Jason's gallery.
No, this is just an example, a virtual website. This is how it looks. Well, let's just have a quick look.
The URL has been covered. You guys can,
it's an actual website.
It's an actual website.
So let me just jump in. About this new feature, it's all pre-configured. I'm just gonna show you how does it look like. See, this is my website, for example. If I got a visitor who's gonna try to contact with me for, maybe get some pricing, catalog, we can simply tap here.
Look at the little bubble here.
That's right. You click on that one. You can start the session right now, right here, on my website. So let's see, I'm gonna click on chat with us. The first thing you have here is gonna be pre-chat. This is also pre-configured. You can customize this whatever you prefer. Well, based on my configuration, I'm supposed to leave my contact number here. All right, and I'm gonna click on confirm. Start the chat. Here we go. The channel is open, and you can contact this particular agent from this particular website.
Talk to him.
Yeah, sure. Let me just say something like, hey.
Okay.
Yep. And first of all, we're going to have the auto reply message. It's all pre-configured as you roll.
So as you guys can see now, this is a fully functional live web chat. It's all you're going to need is the P-Series PBX.
Exactly.
And we have shown you a couple of features, but we are going to show you how to configure it.
And by the way, if you give it a check on your PBX side, well, here's the new message. Well, I mean the message queue, I guess. I'm supposed to pick it up as you roll.
So this is the agent view. So if a visitor start a chat in your website, your agent will be receiving it from Linkus, UC client, and this is exactly what's been happening. Jason just respond.
I'm just gonna reply,
and we can jump back.
Jump back. You can have a check here. How's it?
How is it? This is how it works. Right?
Very easy.
But these are most of the functions. Let's see how can we create it.
Exactly.
And what are the more details?
About the customization. Let me show you something really interesting here, guys. This channel is totally available for you to customize it. If you want to set it up, you can simply switch it back to the configuration portal. And we're gonna go check on messaging. Here we have new channel. I think I'm just gonna take the one I had before for the customization.
This is the Jason's gallery.
Sure. Let's take a look. This is how it looks, guys. Something special is we provide you guys this real-time interface. Whatever you configured on the left side, on your right hand, you're gonna see a live. That's gonna be real time. It will just show you how does it look like. So first of all, we're gonna name the channel, and then the website domain. You put it here. That's
your
my
website domain. This will be the website with which you want to embed this live chat. You put in the URL, and it will be right there.
And keep going. Another thing we have here will be interaction mode. 2 options, guys. You can try chat only, or you can enable phone call as well.
Well, because this is based on P-Series PBX, so it's quite convenient to initiate a session directly with a phone call. And that also means that during a session, the customer or the agent, if necessary, can switch between messages and phone calls.
Exactly. Well, talking about that, guys, you know what? We suggest you choose HTTPS website because if we're going to use phone calls, right?
Well, this is a WebRTC-based phone call, so it will not take the trunks.
Sure.
It will not take your user numbers.
Yep.
It's a totally web-based
Exactly.
phone calls. Yeah.
Exactly. So this is the way how you're gonna call your visitors. And on the other side, if your visitors is trying to call you, that's also supported. Here you can simply enable WebRTC inbound call and simultaneously set up your WebRTC trunk plus the WebRTC inbound route. And your visitors, they will also be able to start a phone call from the website to, call your agent as well.
Exactly.
Yeah. And one more thing here will be the destination. Like what I did before, I make the destination as the message queue.
Yeah. So that means you can either assign a specific extension as a single agent.
You're right.
You can also assign a whole message queue behind it. So that will be a bunch of agents.
Sure.
Yeah, working together, collaborating with each other. This is how it works.
Yeah. And let's keep going.
Yeah.
And something else we have for the advanced settings, something special. Take a look here. We got this limit, which is maximum concurrent calls.
Yeah.
You can turn this from 5 to 10 or anything you prefer, but the limit is going to be 10.
Well, once again, this is a WebRTC-based call, so it will not use your telephony lines, your trunks,
but it will take your concurrent call.
Yeah, it will still take your concurrent calls. So this will be the maximum concurrent call allowed within this chat channel. You can have other channels.
Yeah.
Well, they will also be counted as other calls. But this is like, for example, 5 calls for this specific channel.
Sure.
Yeah.
Exactly. And also we can select something else like text only or text with the image, whatever you prefer. And about this, I think some customers, they may have a question is, hey, if I'm going to send images or text, exactly where am I going to store all these messages? Just take it easy. It's all going to be stored on your PBX.
On your PBX, local. Yeah.
Sure.
So they are safe within your hand.
Exactly.
Joe here, I would be interested in custom fields of the pre-chat fields. Okay,
I will show you later.
Yeah, wait a second.
Hold on a second.
Yeah, wait a second. We will reach there. Yeah.
One more thing, you can also set up the, automatically close the session. You can set up this duration as well. 1 day, 1 hour, or 1 minute.
Or you can customize it. It's your own live chat. This determines, like for example, if you set it as 1 day, so within 24 hours, if there are no interaction happening within this one session, then this session will be automatically closed by the system.
Exactly. Yeah. And, well, let's move on. Let's move to the next part. I think this part is quite interesting. It's something you are so curious about, right?
Yeah.
The appearance. This is something so special. I just mentioned we can customize whatever we prefer, and later on we can check on our right hand.
We just received a new message.
Yeah, I'm gonna handle that message later. Okay.
Later.
Yeah. So let's give it a check here.
Yeah.
The appearance of your live chat channel can be customized, and you will be able to see how it looks by real time. For example, if I switch it to the dark mode, or if I change the color.
Yeah. You can customize the color.
Sure thing. Let me just change the color from my website. Maybe I will make it darker.
No, it's your website.
I think, or maybe lighter. I don't know.
Once again, it's your website.
Sure, keep going. And also you can customize how it looks. The bubble
bubbles,
or the bars. You can customize this as well.
Yeah.
And even this chat icon, you can customize it as well.
They give you a few options here, right?
Sure, a couple of options. One more thing will just be your avatar. You can also customize this as well. This avatar, it can be a particular agent image, like my profile. I'm just gonna post it there. It can also be a virtual avatar.
Yeah, a virtual image.
Yeah.
A virtual name that you show the customer, right? But also you can show the real agent's name and avatar. That it depends on how you set it up.
Exactly. And one more thing, you can also try to enable this, high powered by Yeastar. But I guess maybe it's not necessary. We're gonna keep it there.
Yeah.
Well, it's
me.
covered by
covering
me.
It. Yeah.
Sure, let's keep going.
Powered by Yeastar.
Yeah.
So it will be totally, white labeled.
Sure.
Let's say white label.
Yeah. All right, now let's come to this part, which is going to be the message part, like pre-chat, auto-reply message. Have a look. Something special here, you can select the language. I suggest we can just follow visitor's browser language.
Yeah, we can select, visitor's browser language.
Sure, that will be more user-friendly.
Yeah.
And as for the pre-chat, is here. Whatever you prefer to customize it.
Joe. Pre-chat is here.
Have a look here.
Joe 27.
Yeah. Enable pre-chat form here, and later on you can set up the pre-chat form title. I guess I'm gonna change it. Hey, what's up? right? And also pre-chat form subtitle, you can customize it here as well. If you prefer to collect some information from your customers in advance, like your email address, phone number is not necessary, so I can select it here. I can customize whatever I prefer here. You can make it as required or optional. All right. And to keep going, one more thing here will be data privacy and consent. It depends. If customers are really sensitive about all this, you can just enable the data privacy here. Let them know. Okay.
Well, it's totally customizable.
Sure. And next part will be the auto-reply messages. A whole bunch of options. You can set it up whatever you prefer. If you want to make your job easier, well, we can keep the default settings, not a problem. And after all this, now we can click on Save and switch it back to the website. And I'm going to refresh it. Then it will just be changed. All right. Give me a second.
For your website to load a little bit.
Yeah. Okay.
Oh, yeah, it's different.
So it's different. It looks different, all right? This is just how we're going to customize it.
Yeah, this is it.
Yep.
Yeah. Joe wants a fully customizable field, like, collect the birthday of the customer and stuff. Well, duly noted.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Sure. Currently, about the pre-chat, we can just collect customer name, email address.
There's a couple of pre-configured fields, but that's that's an interesting idea. And, to be honest, that can be very useful for different types of customers.
Sure.
Yeah. So we will remember that.
Exactly. And about the phone call, like I said, you can start a phone call on the site directly.
Yeah. Phone calls.
Very easy. Okay. Let me just hand it up.
Yeah. Okay.
Okay. So that's the first channel we added for the contact center solution this time. Well, generally speaking, this solution is very easy to use. As you guys can see, very user-friendly. It totally gives us some benefits. For example, we give you a new channel. You're going to get connected with your visitors, with your customers. You won't lose any business opportunity. And more importantly, it's for free. It's a built-in feature.
Yeah, it's a built-in
feature. You don't have to worry about the third-party integration things.
And of course, we will add more features to it. So as Jojo just mentioned, wants a customizable field on pre-chat. Yeah, that's a good idea.
Exactly. Thank you so much for your feedback. And you know what? I think we were talking about a keyword, which is the third-party integration. Talking about the third-party integration, well, how about we switch it back on the P-Series system, switch it back to my web client. Let's see what else we have here. About the messaging solution, we have another solution, which is the integration solution with Facebook Messenger.
You guys see the Facebook logo here?
Yep, this is another new channel. Let's have a look. Which is Facebook. So this time you can also make the P-Series system working together with Facebook Messenger integrated with Meta. And you're going to have this new channel.
So that means Facebook will also work as a digital channel for your contact center.
Exactly.
For now, we only support receiving messages. We do receive a comment saying that Meta now already supports outbound messages. We will be looking into it.
Exactly. So this is like a phase one. Phase one solution for Facebook Messenger, and you're going to be able to handle messages from your Facebook. I guess you can post it on your homepage. Anyway, talking about homepage, I think we can talk about the way how we make it work.
Well, it's Meta. So it's a little bit complicated. I mean, the process. Because we realize the integration with Meta for Developer. So this is the first thing you need to do. Okay, so you need to create an app on a Meta for Developer. So, this is the first step. Then you need to, assign the, assign your Facebook homepage with this Meta. Your Facebook page, okay? With this Meta, this will be the Facebook page that you want to integrate with the P-Series PBX. Then, of course, you need to enable the API. You need to enable the webhook. Then you need to interconnect the Meta with our PBX through webhook. This is how it works. You put in the secrets, the URL, and everything. Well, pretty standardized process. But it's not over yet. Because
it's not over yet.
It's not over yet.
This is so tricky.
Because Meta would ask for they will require an application. They have to approve this integration.
I see. So your job is not finished yet, guys.
Yeah.
One more step is gonna be you need to pass this approval.
Yeah. The truly complicated stuff is to get your integration approved, you need to submit a screencast to explain how this integration works.
All right.
Okay. Then you need to describe how it works.
All right.
Yeah, and you need to describe why you want this, why you need this integration. So this is the whole procedure, and it's not going to be done within one operation because you need to submit it and wait for the response from the meta, and then you finish it for the next
So just hold on a second. It sounds so tricky.
Yeah.
Do we have any document or template?
Of course. First of all, this process will last for at least 2 days.
Yeah.
Because the approval and stuff.
Sure.
So we prepared a whole document, a guide for you.
Yeah.
And it includes how you screencast, what operations should you screencast, best practice with your screencast, so you can get your operation or get your integration to pass, right? And then we give you word-to-word explanation on the description you should submit. Now you just copy what we have said there and just...
That sounds better.
Yeah. So that's why we give you an document. That's exactly what you need, okay?
Sure.
I believe it's already in the chat. Yes, here it is.
Yeah.
You just click the chat, get the menu, you get the document, and you just follow the document instruction, and you can go forward with your integration with no problem at all.
That's gonna be something user-friendly, guys. Don't forget to go check on the link we shared in the chat. That one will help you guys to finish the whole process for the integration. Make your job way much easier, because it sounds really tricky for me.
Oh yeah, it's not that tricky, at least. Many of us has successfully passed the approval.
So please check the link.
Check the link, follow the documents, and you're good to go.
Sure. Yeah. Exactly. Well, anyway, that was what we have for this important update for the contact center solution. 2 channels, live chat plus the Facebook Messenger. Don't forget to give it a try. And this time, I guess our contact center solution, well, I guess I could not say this is complete.
It's not
but
complete.
I can definitely tell you guys, we make this solution be more dynamic. We support more channels. We have SMS, we have WhatsApp Business Platform, we have Facebook Messenger, and live chat.
Yeah, well, working with new platforms, while working with new channels, of course, there are way more social media here. And I believe people are talking about sending messages with WhatsApp, with Meta. You need that. Yes, we know, and we are also working on that. Hey, actually, tell Giovanni about it. Tell Giovanni about it, and he will, note it down.
That's right.
And have everything noted down, and
he will help you guys to make the arrangement with the product management.
Yeah, well, he will try.
Yeah, hopefully.
He will fight for it.
Sure. Okay. All right, so let's keep going. That was the first important update. The next important update, I guess we're going to talk about some functionality, some new features. The next thing I'm going to talk about, well, we were talking about important update for the contact center. So the next important update we have is for getting you guys a better user experience for the call center. Yeah, for your call center solution this time, you will also have a better user experience. Previously, if I'm an agent in the call center, when I try to log in or log out, I got only one option, which is by using the Linkus, web client. Or maybe the desktop client.
With your computer,
Sure. I don't have so much flexibility. Well, this time, guys, you have a smart device in your pocket, which is your mobile client.
Yeah, so we basically now support, agent login, log out with your mobile client. That means if your customer is working in hybrid mode, for example, they're working from home, sometimes they need to use their phones to log in and log out as an agent, well, they can do it. And other than this, we also have other optimizations in the Q panel.
Let's take a look. Another important update this time is something special for the Q panel. The Q panel looks different. First of all, you guys can see this particular pad, which is the agent pad. We can expand it. If you have more agents, you can just expand it. All this agent's information will be posted here. And not just this, you can also switch it from the standard view to the compact view as well. Like I said, if I have a bunch of agents, I want to see every single one of them, we can post them right over here.
Yeah, just wait a second, because people are talking about WhatsApp messaging, outbound messaging. Yes, it is a it is service offered by WhatsApp.
Sure.
You need to pay for that.
Yeah.
Yeastar currently don't support that service. Yeah, we know that. We will be estimating that. We will be working on that. Well, it will take a little while, but
sure.
because we have other features going on here.
Yeah.
You guys will see.
Yeah.
Okay.
Sure.
Okay. Let's
just keep going. So these important updates, I guess, is not a big deal, but it totally elevates our user experience. That's it. Next time for agents, if they're working in the queue, have a look here. You get a better look. You have a better user experience.
Yeah,
That's right. And something else is you can also have a quick access. For example, if I have some like abandoned calls, if I want to check the details, you go click on that, guys.
Yeah, you just click on the missed call or abandoned calls. This log will
show
pop
you
out.
the pop-up directly. You don't have to switch it back to the call report.
Yeah.
And you can call these customers back. If you just call this customer back, after that, you can also switch the processing result.
Yeah. So this is way more convenient.
Sure.
And this is also available on the dashboard.
Yeah, on the wordboard.
Yeah.
You can do the same thing. If you got a missed call, you can also have a quick access as well.
Yeah. So this is what it is.
Sure. Yeah. This is some updates
for
the call center.
We have on the on the
for the call center.
Yes.
Yeah.
But it's not over yet. We are working on call center, and people have been asking, and Giovanni also replied about it. Yes, we are working on outbound call center, and we are looking forward to be able to show you next month.
Next month, yeah.
Yeah, but this is what we're currently working.
Still kind of like a secret. We're not allowed to show you more details, but we can tell you something.
We can talk about it, but not here.
Sure, just stay tuned, guys.
Yeah,
now you have complete inbound call center. Pretty much soon you're going to have the outbound call center on the PCER system.
Yeah.
Yeah. All right, so let's keep going.
Keep going.
Let's keep going.
Yeah.
Another important update we have on the PCER system, especially for your Linkus, is going to be this. Let me show you guys. Check on this, guys. You know what it is? When I tried to make an external call previously, I don't think I have a user permission to change my caller ID.
Well, we have DODs. We support DODs.
Sure.
But it's decided by the system or pre-configured by the admin.
Yeah.
As an extension user, you cannot choose or select.
It depends on the telephone line. You can't change it.
Yeah, you cannot change it.
Yeah. Well, this time, take a look. If you have the user permission, well, if I'm going to make a call, I will switch my outbound caller ID. Easily, guys.
Yeah.
I can switch it from the dial pad directly, so I can make a call from the dial pad to my customer directly.
Yeah.
Or if I'm going to call one of my contacts, I can also select the DOD from here as well.
Yeah.
And even from the call logs. If I want to call one of these customers back, I can also right-click on it, switch the DOD number.
Yeah, so that means, first of all, this operation has to be allowed by the admin.
Yep.
And then, of course, the trunk involved and the outbound routes have to also have the DOD numbers pre-configured.
Yeah.
This is very important. Once we have all the conditions ready, well, the extension user can use different identity for different kind of calls.
That's right.
Choose it manually before the call was actually sent out.
Sure.
Yeah.
Example, I'm from sales department. He's from tech support. We both are going to call you guys. We can actually use different DOD numbers.
Different numbers.
Yep.
And, of course. If we have multiple numbers in the company from different regions, we can use the local numbers to call you, so that
that's right.
You have better chance to answer it.
Sure, exactly. Yeah. So this is another important update on the PCER system. Don't forget to give it a try, guys. This feature, like I said, it's not a big deal, but it truly helps. And by the way, this feature is available on all of our Linkus. I just show you guys the live demo on the web client, but you can also try this on your desktop client and even the mobile client. All of your Linkus UC clients can support this feature. Don't forget to give it a try.
Yeah.
Sure, let's keep going.
Yeah, keep going.
Another important update this time we have, once again, we give you guys something new to get a better user experience. So another thing we have here is we simplify your call management on your Linkus as well. Talking about management, the call management, previously, we have a particular panel, a very specific panel. It's called operator panel. So every single time if you're trying to manage your phone calls, you have to stay focused on the operator panel. That's the only option you have there. Well, this time, how about we give it a check on the extension list? Have a look.
Ooh, the call has been made already.
This time, if we have a phone call which is running now, and if you have the user permission, like what I'm doing now, we can simply go click on here to manage this phone call.
First of all, you will be able to, once again, allow, if you're allowed, you will be able to visualize the calls happening between your colleagues or with your colleagues. And we have added a new status which is ringing. As you guys can see, Leo Ball is actually making a phone call to Terrell. Okay, the call has been hang up. Okay. So this is how it works. So we will see, the orange dot blinking.
That's the new status.
This is it.
The phone comes again.
So this is how it looks when the call is ringing, and you can see who is calling who. And of course, if this is an external call, like calling an external number, you will be able to see the caller ID right there.
Exactly.
And if that external contact is being registered in our phone book, well, you will be able to see the name.
It will also be matched as well. So the contact will also be matched if this is an external call. Anyway, whatever this is, the internal call or external call, you will have a good user experience, trust me.
And you will not only be able to see them, and you will have all the operations.
Let me just barge in. I'm going to barge in.
So, first of all, those operations are authorized one by one by the admin. So that means, it can work for different kind of scenarios.
I'm connected.
You're connected.
They just hand it up.
But this is how it works. Okay. So now we can have this function in the extension list. So this is, a new feature. It can be very helpful for you in some cases.
All right, let's keep going. Another important update will be Microsoft Teams. This is a highly demanded feature. About the Microsoft Teams integration, what we update there is we actually make you have a better user experience. This time, if you enable this solution on your Microsoft Teams, whatever it is, the inbound calls or outbound calls, they're all going to be posted on your Microsoft Teams directly.
You won't have to jump to the Linkus UC client.
That's right.
No,
that's right.
Everything will be focused right in your Teams app.
So let me show you guys. Have a look. About this integration solution, same as usual, you log into your Microsoft Teams.
Everything else stays the same.
That's right. Search Yeastar, get the Linkus, install it, and paint it on your Microsoft Teams.
Do it.
And after that, we're going to get connected with our PBX like this and log into your user account. My extension is 4000. I believe you guys already saw it. So here we go. Now, if I'm going to make a call, here we go. This is how you're going to make a call from this panel. And
if you receive a call, same thing. You see the call pop out.
Let me just make a call. I think I can just make a quick call right now.
And maybe you caught it. All the features that we have shown, where we can see. There you go.
There you go.
Where we can see the number, where we can see the calls and stuff from other extensions. It's also available on Microsoft Teams.
Even the call management. Here.
And so, but way better user experience with Microsoft Teams integration. And speaking of which, we also support CTI in Microsoft Teams.
The CTI function, it also works on Microsoft Teams. So if you got an IP phone registered or even Linkus desktop registered, you can use the CTI mode to switch it, between them.
That means you can use your Microsoft Teams to control your remote computer.
Exactly. So this feature works perfectly for your remote working. You can even imagine, now I have Microsoft Teams, I might have something else like a CRM integration, whatever. I drop everything in my office, but I have another laptop. I put it in my house, so I can actually enable the CTI for the remote working.
Yeah, for the remote working. And by the way, IP phones are also supported in the CTI. So you, when you are managing, making phone calls with Microsoft Teams, the call can actually go through your phones with no problem at all through CTI.
Yeah, exactly. So let's keep going. What else do we have?
We have a lot on the list.
Yeah, some other things will just be another important update. It's gonna be the remote archiving.
Remote archiving, yes.
Highly demanded feature, especially on the cloud edition.
Yeah, this feature is actually published last month.
Yeah, last month.
Last month in October. But once again, a lot of you guys, and including Jason, well, we are, free from work.
Yeah. Let's just talk about the details of this remote archiving. About this feature, first of all, the remote archiving can support multiple archive servers. You can try cloud-based server like Amazon S3, Google Cloud. You can also try local-based like FTP or SFTP.
Yeah,
whatever you prefer.
So that means with remote archiving, you can actually automatically archive your recordings, your backup files and stuff. Yeah, this is how it works. And you can, as you can see here, you can connect up to 10 servers. Yeah.
That's totally enough.
Yeah.
Whatever you have there, you have tons of recordings, backup files.
Well, that means you can save a lot of storage space. That especially when you are working with Cloud
Edition. Yeah, that's why I said Cloud Edition. The recording minutes is not for free.
Yeah, but if you have remote archiving, you can rotate.
Sure. Yeah. Perfect solution. And how about we have a quick look on my PBX right now. About this archiving feature, it's just right over here. You check on system, and here you can see archive. And simply set up your archive server. Like I said, we can add up maximally 10 servers. Do as you wish. Select the server type here.
FTP, SFTP, Amazon S3, or Google Cloud.
Sure. And after that, you can simply click on Add here, set up the schedule. So the archiving will just be operated automatically based on your schedule.
Well, you can set up a one-time backup, or you can just do a
regular,
recurrent, task. To have your system back up the files like every day, or every month, or every week, like things like this. It will work for you.
Exactly.
And don't forget, we support 10 servers, and you can mix different types of servers. So you can have FTP, on-prem based server. You can have on cloud as well. Whatever you like. You can use them together, right?
Sure. Important update, all right? Especially for Cloud PBX.
So remote archiving is right here for you.
Okay, keep going. Then we have a whole bunch of side features.
The reason why we call it side features is because they're useful. But only on special occasions.
Exactly. Now, for example, this time you guys can customize the MOH, the specific MOH. Greetings. Ringback tones for extensions, for ring groups. I mean, that using scenario will be very specific. Not everyone needs it, but sometimes it truly helps.
And of course, we have call waiting prompt. Multi-language prompt for extension voicemail. That means a specific extension can set up their own prompt language for their mailbox. That
might be a pretty awesome solution for hospitality.
Exactly.
Different guests in different rooms. They might probably speak different languages. Now the system prompt can also be changed.
This is, these are the features that can, once again, can be used for on special occasions, and sometimes may help you win a project. Who knows, right? Keep going.
Then we're gonna have important announcement for the auto provisioning. We add new IP phones this time. Let's have a look. New models will be supported from Poly and also Weldix, and I'm pretty much sure for some projects people just care about this a lot. And you guys can check here. These models, they're fully supported. Next time, if we're trying to use auto provisioning,
Weldix have their phones?
I don't know, maybe OEM phones.
Surely, probably. From whom? I don't know. But I want to know. I want to investigate on that.
But anyway, good news. Next time, if we're using any of these IP phones, try auto provisioning.
Auto provision is supported for those models. Okay. Let's move on, and we have custom ring strategy for ring group.
Wow, this feature.
This is actually quite interesting.
Kind of interesting.
Okay, so that means we can customize the ring strategy for our ring group. If you memorize it, for our ring group, we have a few pre-configured ring
We got three
strategy.
ring strategies.
But now we can customize our own ring strategy.
Yeah. Previously,
interesting.
we have ring all, ring sequentially, and memory hunt. That's the pre-configured ring strategy. Well, this time you got one more option, which is custom. If you select custom, guys, something special here is for each one of your agents. The delay duration and ring timeout duration, you can fully customize it as whatever you prefer. Maybe I can turn it to 5, and this one I will make it as 15 seconds. Anyway, it's all customized. Take a look, guys. Check on my screen. I guess you can see it right now. Well, I just cover it. That's it.
Let's move a little bit.
Yeah, let me just move it. Wow, this is so weird. But anyway, you can see we can customize it. Here's something interesting. As for exactly how does it work, how am I make this mechanism work? Well, I think that's a mathematical issue.
First of all, let's explain it because
Sure.
the screencast just got getting a little bit late.
Yeah.
So first of all, here we have 3 pre-configured ring strategy. Then we have this custom, which is new. If you choose custom, that means you will have these parameters available for you to configure, right? Delay time and ring time out for each individual member of this ring group. That means, okay, so first of all, so delay time we set up 8 seconds for Terror Smith. So that means whenever there is a call coming into this ring group for Terror Smith, this call he will start to ring 8 seconds after the call coming in, and this call will this ring will last for 15 seconds.
Yeah, that's the timeout.
This is how you configure it. And we can continue the setting, move a little bit for the rest of the members. And now we can assemble our own totally customized ring strategy.
Yeah, it's a mathematical issue. It might be tricky. It depends on how many agents you have there.
But it can be very interesting to set it up.
Sure, yeah. So this is another quite interesting update we have on the
now
PCR
you have
system.
way more flexibility when it comes to the ring strategy for ring group.
Yeah, exactly. Sure. Let's keep going.
Keep going.
Yeah, that was all we have for these important updates for features, for functionalities.
Yeah.
Then, how about we have a look on this, guys? Another important update we have here, it's something special for the P-Series software edition.
Okay.
New platforms are supported.
AWS is new?
Well, the platform is not new, but the way how we make it work is quite different.
Okay.
This time, P-Series Software Edition, it's available on the AWS Marketplace.
Yeah.
Your job will be way much easier if you're gonna try to fix it on AWS.
Yeah. You don't have to go through all the complicated process. You just go to the marketplace,
That's right.
search Yeastar, and you will be able to find it in the AWS
You don't have to configure EC2 by yourself manually.
Yeah, well, it's actually way more
Yeah.
comfortable doing that. Yeah.
Sure. All right. Another new platform we have will be AWS Lightsail.
Amazon Lightsail, actually.
I'm sorry. Amazon Lightsail.
Amazon Lightsail is added. Hetzner is actually added, which is quite popular in the Europe.
Yeah. In Germany.
Yeah.
And also
in Italy.
Yeah, sure. And also we got OVH Cloud Platform. It's also supported.
Yeah.
New platforms. Just go ahead.
And by the way, other than new platforms that we support, we also support new ways, more convenient and easy way to install our P-Series PBX on those cloud platforms.
That's right.
Let's show them.
Yeah, let's have a look, guys. This easy way, it works on OVH and Lightsail.
For now.
For now, yeah. If you're trying to install your P-Series Software Edition on OVH or the Lightsail, we provide you guys a way much easier solution based on the Partner Portal directly.
Direct install on Partner Portal. You don't have to jump to the interface of OVH or Lightsail. Just do everything in Partner Portal.
Yeah. Let's have a look.
Yeah.
Just check on the Partner Portal. This is my Partner Portal. Right now, if we're trying to install the P-Series Software Edition, first of all, we need to purchase the Software Edition.
Yeah.
Well, let's take a look. This is my Software Edition. I'm going to click on it, and this is the list which I just purchased before. All my purchased PBX will be posted here. Now, if I'm trying to install one of these PBXs, I can click on Install PBX. Now we need to select the platform. So here, if I'm trying to use Lightsail, for example, you click on that. Guys, it looks so familiar, right?
Yeah.
This is the API integration.
Yeah. So okay, just because we haven't had any API set up yet, but the thing is, for the first time integration, you need to integrate your platform, the AWS Lightsail or OVH Cloud, with the partner portal through API. Once connected, that means for the future, all the future installation, you don't have to go to the website. You don't have to go to the third-party Lightsails and OVH. You just stay in the partner portal, and everything all the setup like creating the instance and stuff. Everything can be done right here in the partner portal because we have done an API integration with them, and of course, because this Jason apparently doesn't have anything set up yet. But for Lightsail, the system will memorize your access key and your secret for the API, so you won't have to put in everything in the future. All right?
Exactly. Very user-friendly. Once you figure out the API integration between the partner portal and Lightsail, OVH, next time, the way how you configure the P-Series software edition on Lightsail, it's exactly the way how you're going to do it on the partner portal.
Yeah. By the way, for now, we support Lightsail and OVH. These are the two platforms that we support right now for direct installation on partner portal. Just to be clear, okay?
Yeah. And another update we have for the software edition is right now, the software edition operating system is Ubuntu based. Well, if you're trying to install the software edition on let's see, the local data center, like a virtual machine anyway, we can also support Debian 12.
Yeah, Debian 12 is now supported as well.
More options.
More options. Okay, now we get to the last part.
Yep.
Yeastar Central Management.
Yeah.
We have a, upgrade on the user's interface in your YCM.
Sure. Previously, we used YCM. We use it for remote management. On-premise systems, we can use it for remote management. The Cloud PBX, this is the cloud hosting platform as well. And also, you can use template configuration. But it seems there's one thing missing.
What is it?
Which is going to be the resource monitoring.
Yeah,
you use the centralized platform. Absolutely, you want to see the details of each one of your connected PBXs.
You need to be fully informed to plan how you invest in those resources. Right?
Yeah, that's what we have this time, guys. The new update on your YCM platform, it gives you guys this resource monitoring feature, and you will be able to use it to monitor your Cloud PBX working status, your software edition, your appliance edition.
That's very important. That means even your on-prem PBX, your on-prem solution, and your on-cloud solution, they are all supported. You will have a very, very unified experience. Convenient, easy, straightforward on the YCM. Let's take a look.
Let's take a look, guys. Once you jump into the partner portal right now, first thing it's going to be the dash. The dash, we have resource monitoring. This is as you roll. Simultaneously, you can go check on monitor. This is a new part, new widget. Here, you're going to have an overview of your Cloud PBX working status. Something like active calls, online extensions, very straightforward. And if you're trying to see the details of your on-premise PBX, you're going to go click on devices. My devices here. First thing, we have P-Series, S-Series, TA gateways. We separate them into different categories. You can switch it here. Very straightforward. And on the top side, you're going to have an overview to check,
how many devices do you have? Well, they should all be registered to your YCM through remote management. Very important.
And
you have to get remote management.
Exactly. And if you want to see the details of your the on-premise PBX, you go click on here.
And these are real-time data. You will see how many, first of all, you will see resource usage, like how many active calls, how many online extensions are actually using, how many trunks are now available and connected. You will see how this PBX is working right now. And other than this, we can also see other things like
CPU utilization, memory usage, disk usage, all this you can have a real-time monitoring from this platform.
Well, you don't have to go in. Well, you don't have to go into the specific PBX to check all those data. They are all available on the YCM.
Sure.
Yeah.
Now the centralized management, it's complete. It's
And
more
by the way,
dynamic.
this is, once again, I have to emphasize, this is a on-prem, as you can see, P570.
Sure.
It's not a cloud-based PBX, but still, you will get a very good experience managing and monitoring all those PBX that you install. And for cloud PBX, of course, we will also have that.
You can also see it here as well.
Yeah, once again, real-time data and everything.
Sure.
Yeah.
And also, by the way, guys, this cool new feature, currently it's on the beta version. And it's all for free. You guys can try this new feature on your YCM. Just go ahead.
Yeah, go. But this is beta.
Yeah.
Still on beta version. So that means, first of all, we have to clarify. If you have your Product Portal and YCM, you log in there, you don't see it.
Sure.
Why? Because it's still on beta
version.
versions, yeah. So that means if you want it, we got a link, right? We got a link, and you can go for it. We'll go to get the beta, grab the beta for yourself.
Go check the link in the chat panel. Get this beta version.
Yeah.
Okay. So I guess that was all we have for all these updates this time, and lots of features.
A lot of them. Yeah. Oh, we see a lot of questions. Giovanni gets very, very busy.
Yeah, busy Giovanni.
Good. Giovanni now know what features do the customers want.
Sure.
Great. Well, a lot of things Giovanni has dealt with a lot of the, questions and stuff. Well, let's go on with a few, news that we want to update.
Yeah, let's keep going. Keep going, guys. 4 days left. What is it?
Yeastar
word. Yeah, another year. Wow.
Another year, 2024.
Time passes so fast. This is going to be another year.
We've done it for like 4 years.
Yeah.
Yeah, 4 years, yes.
So guys, you still have time. You still have chance.
4 days.
If you have any project, any stories, let us know, all right?
Yeah.
And as usual, I will be the presenter to, announce all these winners.
Yeah. And of course, you will get your prizes for the projects.
Sure.
That you are proud of.
Yeah.
So let's get going with Yeastar Yes Award.
Yeah.
Together with Yeastar Yes Award, that means Yeastar Day is about to happen.
Sure.
Yeah. Yeastar Day virtual this year. Well, we will do it online just like every year. Well, this time we will announce some.
I guess this year it's not just the announcement. I think we will also have the live demo. Are we? Yeah.
We're going to have a live demo.
Yeah, that's right. Something exciting. We will have the live demo as well.
The Outbound dialer.
Sure.
Auto dialer. You guys mentioned that. We will have the live demo for you guys in that virtual event. Yeah. So guys, please mark it on your schedule.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Just don't miss it. All right. We're gonna catch you then, October 23rd.
Yeah.
Be square.
Okay. A lot of customers. Do we have auto dialer in Outbound? In October, we will show you the live demo. You
October 23rd.
Yeah. We're working on that.
Yeah.
We're working on that. Don't guys. Yeah. We know. We've been working on it for a while. We've been talking about it for a while as well.
Yeah.
But believe us. We will have it definitely this year. We will show you in October in the virtual event.
Sure, sure. October 23rd, once again, don't miss it.
And there are other features as well.
Yeah, there will be some other features as well.
Yeah, that we're going to be talking about, show you guys. Yeah, pretty excited. Okay, so I guess this is pretty much it. Giovanni is still working on all those questions. Well, once again, good job, Giovanni. And if you have any questions, let us know. Okay. Okay. Thank you.
Thank you, guys.
McGear. Thank you. Yeah. Thank you. So yeah, I guess we will leave this live stream open for a while because the question is still going on. Giovanni is still answering all those questions. Let's keep him busy for a while.
Yeah.
Yeah. But just in case you guys are interested, Giovanni, that's clearly an Italian name, but that's a Chinese boy through and through.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. So that's all. That's it. So I guess that's it for today. Well, All right, everything's good. Once again, thank you so much for coming to our event.
Thank you.
We will see you next month on Yeastar Day 2024.
Yeah, be square.
Yeah.